Welcome again today. So today I will be teaching you all time frames and how to best use time frames and which is better and which is best for you. So I'm going to take you in now. So let's check BTC USDT. Bitcoin is the future, so I'm always using BTC for instance, but nevertheless it works on all markets. So let's proceed. So most of you don't know what time frame is. Sorry about this. I was actually on this trade and oh, okay, I need to remove this so each and every one of you can see what is happening. What is happening? Okay, time frames. It's highly very important. You know what time frames are and how to best use them. You can call yourself a scalper, a day trader, trend trader, position trader, whatever trader you are. But if you don't know how to use your time frames to trade, you're definitely going to make mistakes. One of the thing I tell my student and everyone who care to listen is in trading you don't need to know everything. You just need to know what gives you result because no one is bothered about do you understand the hammer, do you understand the doji, do you understand, no. What everybody is concerned about is are you getting results, are you getting wins, are you successful in your trades, because that is what matters. Not I know this strategy. I know you can know 1,001 strategy and you would not even be getting 5% per trade. Instead, you would be losing and losing and losing. You understand me? So time frame is very important. So if you understand time frame, you will know exactly what you are doing. You would know how you are going to be a very successful trader because it's very important. Most of you don't know this, so most of you will make mistakes. You will just jump into your chart and the next thing we'll see you do is you jump to the 1 minute time frame. Very crazy, very silly, and it's not advisable at all. So this is very important. Very important you understand time frame and how time frames work. Very important. So now, if you're a scalp trader, this is how you trade. This is the best time frame for you to trade, the best time frame, because see, I want you to get result and you cannot get good result if you cannot filter the noise in the market. Like looking at this chart now, you would see that my time frame here is 15 minutes. If I want to scalp trade, I use the 15 minutes, my own preferably time frame. So this is what I do, which is very important. So if I want to day trade, I use the 1 hour time frame. And over the time, this has given me more wins than losses. One of the things that you should understand about time frame is the time frame will tell you the condition of the market. It will tell you the story. I see trading like I see it like a dance, I see it like a war, I see it like a story. You understand? So if you do not choose the right time frame, you will not understand the story the market is trying to tell you. You would not understand what the market is trying to say. This is what has killed so many traders. So many traders I've seen traders that have sworn that they are never going to trade again. Why is that? Is because they've used useless time frames and they've lost so much money. Some traders will just jump on their trading view chart, and what they will do is they will just jump to the 1 minute time frame. You understand? The 1 minute time frame, it's a very good time frame, but the 1 minute time frame will not give you the it's noisy. It's noisy. To me, it's noisy because over the years, my experience and everything, I don't trade 1 minute, but most of you might want to trade the 1 minute time frame. But the truth is, it is very noisy. You would not understand what the market is trying to tell you. And when you cannot interpret the market, you are going to make mistakes. And mistakes in trades is you losing money. So please, I would teach you, I would advise you, if you want to scalp in a market, like you just want to go into a trade and trade for some minutes in the app, it's best to use the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame. 15 minutes or the 5 minutes time frame is very powerful, and it's going to give you good, sweet, marvelous, awesome results. This is what you should start. So please use the 5 minutes. But why do I use the 15 minutes? Is because I don't like noise in my trade. Like, I like my trade calm. I like my trade uh, very smooth. I like my trade in a way that I can understand what is happening in the markets. You understand? Because I trade with risk management, proper risk management. My signal class is awesome because I give them my trade setup and win-wins, and that is what it's about. So this is what you should understand. When you want to scalp trade, please use the 5 or the 15 minutes. If you want to filter the noise, I will advise you to use the 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame will help you filter what the noise. You understand? It will help you enter the trade when you're supposed to enter the trade, not just jump it. Because when you're using the 1 minute time frame, let me show you an example. The 1 minute time frame will just be telling you, oh, green, 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 oh, red, 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 jump it, jump. You understand? You would not understand anything. That's why most of you using the 1 minute time frame, you'll be getting wins, but later you will start having losses, and your loss will be because you cannot understand what's happening in the market, because each candle represents 1 minute, because you're using the 1 minute time frame. So when you're using the 15 minutes time frame, each candle represents 15 minutes. So when I draw the support and resistance, it shows that in the last, this is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 15 minutes. It's just that in the last 3 hours, 15 minutes, the market has been in this condition. So I understand the market condition. Very, very easy. So that is it. I understand the market condition very easy. Because this is it. This is something you should understand. I will teach this. If there's a topic for this, in every market you are, you should understand the concept guiding that market. You don't just jump into market simply because you want to trade. You don't just jump. See, you need to understand this. The stock market, you ask yourself, what moves the stock market? What keeps you in profit or keep you in loss? You ask about the crypto market, what keeps you in profit or loss? You say in forex, what keeps you in profit or loss? See, if you don't understand all of this, you are making a mistake and you are deceiving yourself. Because this is how trading is. When you lose, your losses is used to pay your broker, or is used to pay those who won, and also your broker also will definitely make some bucks off you. So will you really want to be receiving margin calls? So time frame is very important. So I will advise you, as a novice you are, as a beginner you are, it's good you try using the 15 minutes time frame, because the 15-minute time frame will tell you the action in the market. It will tell you that, oh, the market has been in a, like, looking at this 15 minutes time frame, you see that, oh, this has been a massive dump, and this is like a dump for 1 hour. Then this other 15 minutes green happened. That means, it's going to be, don't worry, I'm going to teach that next strategy. So the 15 minutes is very good for scalping. It gives you good result. It filters the noise. It takes you in trade. It makes your trade very profitable. You understand? It makes you understand this. So time frame is very important. So for scalpers, use the 15 minutes time frame. If you want to day trade, like you want to be on a trade for hours, or you just want to go into a trade, set your stop loss and take profit, use the 1 hour time frame. And let me tell you one thing you should know about time frame. Very simple. This is a secret. Write it down somewhere. The higher time frame will always control the lower time frame. Why? Why does the higher time frame control the lower time frame? Very easy. The secret is this. It's as simple as ABC. It is simply because the investors, those people, the movers and the shakers of the market, forget whatever market it is, whether the crypto market, forex market, stock market, whatever market it is, they trade using the higher time frame. So when they want to trade, they are using what is it called? The 5 day. They are using the 1 day time frame, using the 1 week. You understand? So they are moving the markets. Like they're more of the market mover. So they use what we call, sorry. So they use the I have so many lines because I've been in so many trades here. So you understand? So if you look at this now, you see that this market has been in an uptrend. Let me just remove all my drawing. Sorry. Looking at this market, you will see that Watch this. You see that this market has been in a massive uptrend. You understand? So the movers and the shakers of this market are still moving this market. So when they come to pump in the market or manipulate the market, what would they do? They are simply watching the 1 day time frame, the weekly time frame. You understand? So you're not going to use the 1 minute time frame to trade. You're just going to dash the money. You understand? So it's good to use the higher time frame. But if you want to scalp trade, you want to scalp to be at the safer side, use the 50 minute time frame so you can understand the market movement and understand the movement of the market before you go into any trade. It's very important you understand this. This is a very amazing topic, and I'm opening your eyes because every market there are people that is called the pump and the dump the market. So those market movers, the market shakers, the market controllers, they use the higher time frame to control the market. They use the higher time frame to manipulate what the market. So here is the gist. If you want to be in profit, you want to remain in profit, you need to play according to how they want you to play. Because if you go to play against them, because they are the trend movers, because on the stage you see this movement you're seeing here is because somebody somewhere is actually investing and pumping. Like I tell people, trading, Bitcoin trading is more like a market. Like when someone pumping money into your shop or your business, whatever, you see your business is going to look bright. So now Bitcoin is actually looking this beautiful now because people are pumping in money inside. They are pumping in money into it. So the price is looking attractive. So investors are coming in to buy to grow the market to get highs to reach here to get back to 34,000. You understand? This is just what it's about. This is just what it is. Do you understand me? So this is it. So use the higher time frame, but now you cannot use a daily time frame because you would not be getting your daily bread because you want to trade daily. So for scalpers, use the 15 minutes time frame. Then if you want to leave your trade for hours, you're not cared about what happened in a minute or so, you don't care about the movement, you've set your stop loss and you're using the right leverage. Leverage is very, very important. So you can use the 15 minutes time frame. You can use the 1 hour time frame for that. So you can just watch your trade or play. But do not try to go and start using the 1 minute time frame, 3 minutes time frame. It's going to destroy you, like because you'll be too fast. And trading is for people who are patient. If you don't have patience, you cannot be a profitable trader. This is the trick. If you are not patient enough to watch the market play into your strategy or watch the market come to you, then you are just going to be a big time what loser. That's where you're going to be a big time loser. Do you understand me? So you have to watch the market, play into your strategy. That way you eat the market, you make money from the market, you make serious money from the market, very serious money from the market. Gosh, this is over 10x leverage is over 720% in 19 days. 720%. Can you imagine? I mean, if you're using 1 million, you've made about 7 million. Can you imagine just in 19 days? Learn trading. Trading is going to put food on your table. Trading is going to help you in so many ways. If you're an African watching this, just know that your government is fucked. So you need to help yourself. We need to start saving ourselves. That is why I'm dropping this teaching here because I want you to get this knowledge for free because it's very important. It changed my life and it can change your life if you understand the right things to do. So now, the best time frame to use to scalp, use the 15 minutes time frame so you can understand what's happening in the market. If you want to day trade, use the 1 hour time frame so you can understand what's happening in the market. Please do not use the 5 minutes, do not use the 1 minute. This is the mistake that most people are making. And I've told you the reason behind this is because the movers and the shakers of the market, they use the higher time frame to move the trend. Moving the trend is either to dump the market or to push the market further. You understand? Which is to pump the market. So you going to trade against them, you would lose money. So that is it for today. I say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless you all. I love you all. I love you all. Thank you, every one of you. I remain your very own Mr. Cloud Oleka. Thank you, and God bless you all.